Let us discuss Ohm's law. Ohm's law, which gives the relation between potential and electric current. What is the relation between potential and electric current? We can discuss by observing an experiment. The experiment is between potential difference, creating the potential difference in a circuit, and dependent on potential difference increasing or decreasing. According to that, what happens to the electric current, we have to observe by using an experiment. So that is nothing but Ohm's law. Ohm's law is given by the relation between potential difference and electric current. First of all, to measure the potential difference, what is the device we are using? The device we are using is voltmeter. To measuring the electric current, we are using the device that is ammeter. Let us consider a simple circuit. In a simple circuit, which consists of a battery is nothing but combination of cells, and a tap key or switch, okay, and this is a bulb here we are using. This is a simple circuit. In this simple circuit, we have to arrange a voltmeter and an ammeter. So voltmeter always we have to connect in parallel combination, and ammeter we have to connect in series combination. So ammeter you have to arrange here, voltmeter we have to find out the potential difference. So what is the potential difference here? We have to connect here. So here we have to consider the readings in a table, that is potential difference, how much we are creating here, and according to the potential difference, what is the electric current. After that, we have to calculate potential difference and electric current ratio. For example, in voltmeter the reading is, for example, 2 volts, means 2 volts of potential difference we are supplying here. Then 2 volts of potential difference. For that, what is the electric current? For example, 1 ampere of electric current is produced. Next, in second case, 4 volts if you create potential difference here, electric current produced is 2 amperes. This is experimental values. For example, I am giving to understand that. So 6 volts if you create, then 3 amperes of electric current is produced. Now, amongst of all these values, if you consider the ratio V by I, then 2 by 1 is equals to 2. This 4 by 2 is 2. 6 by 3 is also 2. You can get a constant value for V and I, ratio of V and I, means potential difference and electric current. So V by I is constant here. V by I is constant, means if V increasing, gradually you are increasing V, electric current also increasing. So both are directly proportional to each other. So V and I are directly proportional to each other. So V is directly proportional to I, means potential difference and electric current both are directly proportional to each other when the temperature is constant. This is the condition. So V by I is constant. This constant is known as R, which is known as resistance. So this gives the Ohm's law. So to remember that, we can consider a magic triangle. In magic triangle, you have to divide like this. You have to write V here, I here, and R here. Simply make a cross here. If you want V, you have to close that. V means potential difference. If you want, I into R is the formula. So V is equals to I into R. If you want to find out I, electric current, you have to close I. Then I is equals to V by R. You can get V by R. If you want to find out R is equals to V by I is remained V by I. So these are the relations from the Ohm's law only. Okay, right.